Let's try mug root beer to see how it tastes. So here we go. Smells good, but let's try it. It was so delicious. Smells more strongly, almost the taste of great it is, better than a Barks root beer or A&W zero sugar root beer. The low calorie root beer was not bad, but I'm giving this soda a 9.9 out of 10. So anyways, I will see you in the next video for more, okay? Let's try Chips Ahoy Stranger Ding. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. Alright, here you go. Not bad. That's 10 out of 10 for me. So anyway, subscribe my channel today. I will see you in a few days. So hope you have a great day, everyone, and I will see you next time.